Welcome back. We've established the importance of the strategic no as a tool to combat strategic drift. However, this discipline cannot rely on the willpower of individual leaders alone. It must be engineered into the core processes of the organization. This lesson focuses on creating the systems that translate a high level vision into day to day execution. Strategic alignment requires a multi layered approach that connects purpose to performance across the entire organization. According to MIT Sloan Management Review, this involves distilling the overarching strategy into a handful of clear priorities, communicating them relentlessly, and then translating them into specific, measurable goals. Here is a practical framework for engineering alignment. Cascade the Constitution. The leadership constitution must serve as the primary filter for all major strategic initiatives. Before significant capital is committed to a merger, a new product line, or a market expansion, the leadership team must rigorously test the proposal against the articles of the Constitution. Does this initiative directly advance our core purpose? Is it consistent with our operating tenets? A no to any of these questions should trigger a serious reevaluation or rejection of the proposal. This process was evident in eBay's divestiture of Skype. While the initial acquisition in 2005 was seen as synergistic, by 2009, new leadership determined that Skype had limited synergies with eBay's core commerce business and divested it to refocus the company. Align capital with purpose. The annual budgeting and capital allocation process is where the strategic no becomes real. Resources must be directed exclusively to projects and business units that can demonstrate a clear and measurable contribution to the North Star. This requires the discipline to systematically defund or sunset legacy projects and zombie initiatives that, while perhaps once valuable, no longer serve the future vision of the company. Align people and performance. The organization's performance management system must be redesigned to reflect the primacy of purpose. This means moving beyond traditional, often ineffective annual reviews. A more agile approach is to use a framework like FAST goals, which are frequently discussed, not just set once a year, ambitious in scope, specific, with clear metrics and milestones, transparent for everyone in the organization to see. This approach ensures that every employee can see how their individual goals contribute to the organization's strategic priorities. A powerful example of this is Satya Nadella's transformation at Microsoft. One of his first major acts was to abolish the infamous stack ranking system, which pitted employees against each other in a zero-sum game. This system was fundamentally misaligned with his new purpose of empowerment and collaboration. By replacing it with a system that valued contributing to the success of others, he aligned the performance incentives with the desired culture, unlocking innovation and teamwork. This concludes our exploration of the second pillar. By diagnosing strategic drift, mastering the strategic no, and engineering systems for alignment, an intentional leader ensures that the organization's purpose is not just a statement, but a lived reality. In our next series, we will turn to the final pillar, commanding focus.